Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Broadlink RM Mini 3 Broadlink, and I'm going to tell you the unboxing, what's inside the box. So at first let's take this out, and now we have to open it. So the first thing we are gonna do is cut here very carefully, do not damage anything, because my previous opening session went wrong. Wait a moment, I have to just open that. Now here we are with our product. Let's open that and take that out. Here we do have the USB type C. No, this is USB type B micro, the USB type A cable. Here, let's open that. We have our product itself and some user guide. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.